Hello guys, now it's the season of cactus fruits. So now it's bearing fruits. That's cactus. It's bearing fruits here in Morocco. It's the season of cactus. See, they are bearing fruits. Wow. And it's very delicious. Oh, it's bearing. There's a lot of cactus here. See, it was here in Morocco, season of cactus. It's a lot. It's cactus time. It's the season of cactus fruits. We called it here Hindiya. Chala. This is it. Season of cactus. They are bearing a lot. So now here, there's a lot there. It's very weird to pick up because it has a lot of thorns. Do you know that it has a lot of thorns here? You see, the thorns is very sharp and it is very dangerous to pick it up without the gloves. They pick it up with gloves. See? If it is ready to eat, it will be color yellow. If it is already yellow and the thorn was already removing alone, it is already ready to, like that one, the other one, that one. See, it is ready to eat, the big one. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless everyone.